Allrag's journey to sacred heights tells the captivating tale of a gentle giant whose humble beginnings and simple nature earned him the nickname that would define his life. Despite enduring poverty, ridicule, and hardship, he found solace and strength in his wife, Thumbelina, whose quiet resilience and unwavering support shaped their harmonious life in Thagmount-Ath-Moussa. As fate would have it, Allrag's journey took an unexpected turn when he stumbled upon the village of Pass-of-the-Ferns, where divine intervention and communal faith led to his unlikely rise as the village's spiritual guide. Through trials and challenges, including encounters with the tyrant Big Head and the mysterious Princess Sekoura, Allrag's wisdom and compassion earned him respect and admiration, solidifying his reputation as a revered spiritual leader known as the Saint Man of the Mountain. Set against a backdrop of belief, community dynamics, and the complexities of spiritual leadership in Kabyle society, Allrag's journey to sacred heights is a poignant exploration of resilience, quest for meaning, justice, and the transformative power of kindness in the face of adversity. By delving into these universal concepts through a Kabyle lens, WEDRAR bridges cultural divides and invites readers to connect with the shared aspects of humanity. WEDRAR holds a significant place in literary history as the first Kabyle novelist, penning this work in 1947. He remains a pioneering figure in Kabyle literature, laying the foundation for a rich tradition that would follow. Despite his groundbreaking work, WEDRAR's contributions remained largely overlooked for decades, overshadowed by the indifference of big heads in his country. This novel not only stands as a testament to WEDRAR's literary prowess, but also serves as a tribute to his determination.